This machine is special for transformer lamination manufacturing. The machine body is welded with high-quality steel, and with casting, punching and shear component. The installation surface is made of thickened steel plate. The structure is solid and firm, and the hidden trouble of deformation is eliminated by heat treatment. The punching and shearing machine is mainly made of high-grade castings, which will never be deformed, which is conducive to ensuring the shearing accuracy and improving the service life of the tool, at the same time effectively eliminate the impact, shear, chatter and noise. Optimized feeding and feeding system. Stable and reliable performance to ensure that the silicon steel sheet can be delivered at high speed. The punching and shearing mechanism is driven by high-response servo motor, which is accurate and efficient. The punching and shear is made of high-quality hard alloy, with long service life and little wear. Siemens electric control system is adopted to realize precise determination of long shear. Full closed-loop control, online detection and automatic fine adjustment. The width adjusting mechanism is driven by servo motor and controlled by computer to realize automatic width adjusting.